guys, what is poppin'? Today, as you can see, we are going to be doing a Doc Martens unboxing. I am so excited. I actually mentioned in my Black Friday haul that I brought Doc Martens, but they never came in time for, you know, the day I filmed the haul. So I decided to do a separate unboxing video. I know Doc Martens are very popular, and I know when I didn't know which Doc Martens to buy, there weren't a lot of videos up with these specific bad boys right over here. So I'm really excited to show you guys the ones I got and unbox it here on camera, tell you why I got it, and just kind of talk about it a bit. A lot of you guys said that you wanted to see it in the comments of my Black Friday haul, and I wasn't sure if you guys would want to see it since I do more beauty stuff, and I mean I do some lifestyle, but a lot of you guys actually wanted it, and so I decided why not get into it. And if anybody's here to, like, that's new and wants to check out what my Doc Martens look like, thank you for coming and welcome to the video. Let's get right into it. Okay, so Doc Martens, where they're sold. I got mine from Amazon. There are a lot of styles on Amazon. Of course, you will find the most variety of styles on drmartens.com. That is the main place where you can buy them. But the more popular designs is also in, I believe, Journeys and in Amazon. So I got mine from Amazon. Let's get on and unbox them. Okay, so let me show you the box. It says Dr. Martens. Some random stuff over here. And then, oh, okay. And then over here, it has all the information. So it says 1460W, black, Napa, size 6, Doc Martens. That's pretty much all you need to know. I got the Doc Martens. I brought it in a size 6, and it is called the 1460W. It is the original Doc Marten boot. The 1460s are like their famous, like, original boot, if you know what I mean. But I got it in the 1460W, so it comes with Napa leather. I will explain that in a bit. Yeah, I'll explain that in a bit. Okay, I'm not going to start on it right now. Alright, so let's open it up. Here is the box. And you open it up, and it has the famous Doc Marten logo in wrapping right over here. So I'm going to open, oh, that fell. I'm going to open up one right over here. It comes with this plastic, I mean, not plastic, this paper on the sides. And you open one up, and it comes with this foam little separator thing in between. So let's open up one right now and see what that looks like. So you open the boot, and here it is. Look at that. I'm so excited. I've been wanting Doc Martens for so long. They are extremely popular. They look cute with literally everything, and especially during the winter. And I've heard that they are very comfortable. So I'm really excited. I'm going to be talking about why I didn't really need to wear these in. Actually, I'll be doing a separate video. If you guys want to see that, definitely let me know in the comments. I know people say it all the time, and it really scared me that you would have to break in Dr. Martens, and I wanted to wear it literally the day after I got it for like all day. So I was really scared about it, but I took the chance, and honestly, I didn't need to break them in, which is pretty insane because everybody says you need at least a week to break them in. So if you want to know why I didn't need to break it in and the tricks I used where I literally didn't even need to break them in, and the stuff that I just did beforehand, definitely let me know and I'll make a whole video about it. I promise it'll be a lifesaver because it was a lifesaver for me. Anyways, back to the unboxing. So it has like the little Dr. Marten things on top. Honestly, the only reason why I wanted to get these is because everybody's wearing them and they look really cute. I definitely like the style of it. I wasn't too into it, but slowly it grew on me over time. I know EMMA Chamberlain wears these and she styles them so well, so I honestly kind of just wanted to style it like her because she does such an amazing job. And all those, like, you know, more fancy girls, I guess, fancy YouTubers kind of wear these shoes, so I kind of wanted to be part of it, you know? And yeah, that's basically why I got it. So these are the 1460Ws, as I mentioned. Over here we have more paper, and then we have, is that treasure? Nope, more paper. This is the 8-eye boot, as in it has 8 little holes for it to go through. It comes only in with 4, and then these are what the laces look like. Very, very pretty. Very nice, love it. And now let's get on to the other boot. So I'm just taking out the foam right over there, and I'm taking out that big little paper little boot once again, unwrapping that. And then of course taking out more paper. And then more paper. And here we have the other boot. This is what they look like together. Wow, love that. They look so cute. Okay, now I'm going to be honest with you guys. Real honest, real raw. I would be a liar if I didn't tell you this, so it's better if I just be honest with you guys. I didn't really, you know, unbox this new on camera with you guys. I have worn this twice. Okay, I want to be really honest right now. What type of YouTuber would I be if I wasn't honest? I kind of just boxed it up literally the same way that I got it. So you're literally going to see this the same way if you get it, because I boxed it up entirely the same way that I received it and unboxed it to on camera just like the first time I did it. Of course, if you see the tissue paper is a little crumply, it's because I did open it once or twice before. This is what they look like. So if they look a little worn, it's because they have been worn. Sorry, I have no patience. I don't know if you've seen on my channel, if you've been with me, but I have no patience. So once I get stuff, I kind of just want to open it and wear it. So I literally couldn't even wait to film. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, no, I'm sorry. Okay. But this is what they look like. I'm so excited to wear them. I think they're so cute, and with every outfit. This is my perfect size. Doc Martens do work. They do run in full sizes. They don't have halves. So if you do have a half size, I would recommend trying it on in store. And I do have some tips when it comes to sizing, but like I said, I'm going to save that for the video if you guys want it, on how to not have to break in Dr. Martens. I love the little yellow embroidery. Of course, that's how you know that they're Doc Martens. And this is the Airwear bouncing sole. So it is so cool because when you walk on it, I literally walked a whole day in New York City in it, and my legs didn't hurt at all. And I had my watch on. I had like 15,000 steps. So I had a lot of steps, and they still did not hurt like at all. They are honestly, the soles are really what makes it worth it. They are a little bit more on the expensive side. Amazon did give me a little bit of a discount, so if you're looking for Doc Martens as opposed to the Doc Martens website, if you want to check out Amazon, sometimes they do have a little bit of a discount, so definitely check that out because I got mine on a little bit of a discount. I'm so excited to wear this all winter long. I will insert some pictures on the screen of how I've worn them and how I kind of styled them. I think it'd be kind of cute to show show what it looks like as a whole, like on the body. I think it's pretty cool, instead of just showing it to you guys in my hands. I would wear them right now, but I'm wearing a onesie and it look really dumb, and I'm too lazy to change, so yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing over here, and like I said, if you guys want me to do that how to not break in Dr. Martens video, I will definitely love to do that for you, because like I said, I got a lot to say and I got a lot of good tips. And yeah, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye! Thank you for watching. Love my docs. Follow me on Instagram, _MarilyMari for some for some outfit inspo. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Oh.